what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be a huge clothing try on haul. I have a lot of oversized t-shirts, shirts, crop tops, and majority of them I absolutely love, and I've been collecting them for quite some while now, but मैंने एक haul नहीं किया था. I was just waiting for this moment. So it's a collective haul. I have a lot of pieces to show you guys, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
So आज के clothing haul में majority of the stuff, actually 99% of the stuff is gonna be from the TheSoulStore brand. I absolutely love their stuff. मेरे wardrobe में I think 60% of my clothing item is from there. That's how much I love them. And पहले के जो भी मैंने कपड़े थे ना सब discard कर दिए because वो हो नहीं रहे थे मुझे genuinely. Size small, extra small थे जो obviously I don't fit into anymore. I genuinely wanted a wardrobe refresh, so that's how I picked up so many items. अब I'm finally happy with how much pieces I've collected. I don't think I'm gonna shop इतने जल्दी अभी वो brand से, तो अभी के लिए all of these pieces I'm gonna show you guys. So let's start with crop tops first because they're so freaking good. Let's start with this one. Okay, so this is a beautiful lime green color crop top. I absolutely love the cutout on this. ऐसे वाले crop tops ना बहुत अलग अलग brands में मिल जाएंगे, but and I've tried also majority of them. It just doesn't fit right. But when it comes to TheSoulStore, they just made it perfect. Crop tops end up being way too cropped for me, and it just doesn't work. With this, it's just the perfect measurement, and it just fits me right. So I absolutely love it. As I said again, love the cutout detailing, love the color. It's very popping, and I picked it up in a size a medium, and medium fit me perfectly. Also, material इसका ribbed material है, and it's very stretchable as well. Very soft and very comfortable on my skin. I absolutely love this crop top. Moving on to the next crop top is this Barbie pink crop top. I absolutely love the color. Again, this is also a neon pink color. It just pops and looks perfect. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It does have a collar and a V-neck over here, and it's a crop top. आगे पीछे मतलब कोई print नहीं है. This is also a ribbed material by the way. और ये ना मैंने तभी लिया था जब वो बार्बी मूवी आई थी, तभी मैंने लिया था, and मैंने मेरे बर्थडे पे पहना हुआ है. मैंने काफ़ी कुछ रील्स भी बनाए हैं इसमें, and it looks really really good, especially on camera against the white. It just pops perfectly, and yeah, I really like it. Very comfortable ribbed material है, इसका भी बहुत stretchable है, and it's just so soft and you don't feel uncomfortable wearing this. I absolutely love it. Also the V-neck and everything just fits right. You can clearly see it in the try on part. It's a 10 out of 10. Definitely grab it. Okay, this is the next crop top I picked up. I love the color combination of this. It kind of reminds me of cassata ice cream, and I love cassata ice cream. That the main reason I picked it up because of the color combination. इसका जो hand है, it does run a little lower and it just fits perfectly. I don't mind. And yeah, this is how it looks. पीछे कुछ ऐसे है नहीं, it's plain, but it does have a rise and slay pink panther wala crop top hai. Again, this is not extremely cropped. I feel like it hits right on top of my high-waisted jeans, so I don't feel कि कुछ भी reveal हो रहा है in that way. So I wouldn't say it's a crop top. I would say it's a hybrid of a normal top and a crop top because it's quite long. This is again in the size a medium, and majority of the TheSoulStore stuff mein medium fits me perfectly. So majority of the clothing items are medium for me. And yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like it. Again, this is also a ribbed material, very stretchable and very comfortable. It just fits and snugs my body perfectly, which I absolutely love. So yeah, love this item as well. Next, I got a plain black crop top. This is again something that I feel everyone must have in their wardrobe. Just a simple plain black and white crop top. Again, ये भी मेरे पास पहले था कोई सी ब्रांड में, but that material was so different and it was kind of see-through. This one on the other hand, it's a very comfortable. This is not ribbed material by the way. Still जो इसका black है वो ऐसे वो fade नहीं हो रहा है, and it's not looking weird. Even though I have washed it multiple times, the color and everything is retained perfectly, so I know that this is gonna last me longer. This I've picked it up in the size large, and yeah, it just fits me perfectly. And this is also not extremely cropped. which is what I love. It just hits me right on top of my high-waisted jeans. You'd see it in the try-on haul, and you can pair this with so many different things. I absolutely love it. Something like this is a must-have in your wardrobe, I feel. So grab this. I have the same exact thing in white as well. So this is the next crop top. It's plain white. It's also ribbed material. इसमें एक different है कि यहाँ पर एक ऐसे cutout दिया हुआ है, and I was so excited when I got this. But one thing I would say is ये cutout का जो ऊपर वाला है, especially the neck area, it kind of feels loose. You would see it in the try-on part as well. It kind of feels a little weird. मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि maybe I don't know, maybe थोड़ा पहन के normal हो जाएगा, but it never happened. I still wear it, I still like it, and white tops are something that brands usually like and want. So having white top never goes wrong for me. And the last crop top I have for you guys is this one. It has peace out written on it. Again, love the color combo on this one. Love the pinks, love the green, love the yellow, and overall together, again, it reminds me of Casata ice cream. And I love the color combination all together. How it's playing out is looking really, really good. Again, this is something that I've worn multiple times, loved, washed it. It's so comfortable and it still looks like brand new as I've gotten it. पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है, it's just the color combination. And yeah, this is the front. It is a little like a boxy crop top, I would say, and it looks so freaking good and I really like it. Next, let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now. I absolutely freaking love it. Now, I love the plaid detailing. First of all, it is full hand and it's cropped. I don't own anything like this, a cropped plaid shirt. Okay, now I love the fact that you can wear it exactly like this, like the one way I'm wearing right now, or you can wear it with a white cropped ganji or a crop top, and you can wear it as a shirt and a jacket, and it does feel very cozy and comfortable. It's perfect when you're just transitioning from winters to the springtime. It doesn't have any fleece or anything, so it's not like winter coat, but it's perfect for Indian weathers, I would say. And I absolutely love the color combination, the plaid detailing. It just looks like a sweater, but it's not a sweater. And yeah, I absolutely love it. The next shirt I picked up is this one. It has Scooby-Dooby-Doo print all over it. 90s kid in me is very happy. That's what I love about this brand also, by the way. Majority of their prints and everything is based on the cartoons that we used to watch, you know, in those 90s kids would relate with, like Scooby-Dooby-Doo and Flintstone. They have so many great prints. They DC, Marvel, जो भी बोलो आप लोगों को उस range में, you know, बहुत सारी चीजें मिल जाएगी. That's what I love about their brand. And also the quality of the kapda is really good. As I said, I have been their customer for a really long time, so I have washed their clothes, worn it multiple times. उसमें ही समझ में आता है कि कपड़ा एक्चुअली अच्छा है कि, you know, one time wash and फिर उसके बाद पूरा fade out हो जाता है. So no, their clothes are really good material. कुछ clothes है वो मैं आपको आगे जाके बताऊंगी कि कौन से कपड़ा मुझे इतना कुछ खास लगा नहीं, but कुछ कपड़े बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, especially the Supima ones. So this is the shirt I got. I got it in the size large. ऐसे similar shirts हैं मेरे पास इन्हीं brand के और मैंने medium size लिया. That fits me perfectly. I wanted this to fit me a little oversized. That's the reason I picked it up in a size large. And again, this is something that you can wear as a shirt. You can wear it open and wear a crop top, white crop top underneath, black crop top underneath, and wear this as a jacket. That's the reason I picked it up in a size large, so I can wear it as a, you know, cool over jacket as well. And yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's a very comfortable and soft material. It just flows on your body. I love it. Okay, crop tops ho gaye, t-shirts ho gaye. Let's move on to the oversized t-shirts because I have a lot of them. So the first one is this one. I love the yellow color. It's not like bright jacket yellow. It's a very beautiful pastel yellow color. And this has Leo and Stitch का print on this. यहाँ पर एक छोटा quote लिखा हुआ है, out of this world, and a little print. Another thing about the oversized t-shirt is majority of the print are on the back, and the front is quite plain and stuff. I just wish कि थोड़े और t-shirts निकाले जहाँ पर आगे भी print हो, because you know when you clicking pictures you don't click the back, you click the front. That's only input I feel like, but I really love their oversized t-shirts. I am a big fan of oversized t-shirts. Whenever I don't know what to wear, I just pick a oversized t-shirt, oversized pant, some shoes, and I'm good to go. It just looks cool automatically and I just love it. So this is the first one I got. The next oversized t-shirt I picked up is this one. It's a plain white oversized t-shirt, and boom, it's Money Heist theme. So Bella Ciao लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर आगे, and पीछे it has this print like wow. Okay, everyone has their COVID story. This is mine. I was obsessed with Money Heist. पूरे कोविड में मैंने उसको binge watch किया हुआ है, and I was just obsessed. And I think कोविड के टाइम पे उसका जो फाइनल वाला सीजन था वो भी निकला था. So yeah, it's been close to my heart because of it. बहुत मैंने एकदम मन से वो देखा था और मुझे बहुत पसंद भी है. So when they launched this, definitely I had to get it. I had to get it. मैं एक्चुअली बहुत टाइम से ढूंढ भी रही थी अमेजोन पे, बट इतना अच्छा प्रिंट और यू नो द वे आई वांटेड टू बी वैसे मिल नहीं रहा था, बट you know SoulStore does it. It just does it. So yeah, I love it. Moving on to the next oversized t-shirt. I absolutely love the color. It's a beautiful pastel lilac purple color, and the reason why I picked it up is because of the print. Obviously it says 90s over here, and पीछे Pink Panther का you know print है. Okay, one thing I want to point out straight out, this is again something that I have worn multiple times. It's been washed. इसका मटेरियल थोड़ा पतला लग रहा है मुझे, थोड़ा लो क्वालिटी लग रहा है फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वंस दैट आई हैव पिक्ड अप. पता नहीं क्यों, or maybe it's the color, I don't know what the thing is, but yeah, you can see also it's way too crumbled. जो थोड़ा अच्छा मटेरियल होता है ना, even though you wash it and अगर आपने इस्त्री भी नहीं किया होगा ना, still it doesn't feel like it's way too crumbled. When it's एकदम पतला वाला कपड़ा होता है ना, ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा क्रश हो जाता है. So that's the only thing that I have seen that is different. ये वाला थोड़ा कपड़ा वैसा है, बट ठीक है, प्रिंट अच्छा है. प्रिंट अभी तक वैसे का वैसा ही है, प्रिंट खराब नहीं हुआ. So that I would give thumbs up. The next oversized t-shirt is again very close to my heart because I wear it at least once a week. And whenever I'm going out, I just grab this, I just gravitate towards this, everything. Like, I just love it. So it's a plain black oversized t-shirt with a Mickey Mouse print on this. But the print is so good quality and the कपड़ा is so freaking good quality. ये almost मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है सुपीमा material है, but yeah, I don't know इसका material क्या है, but this कपड़ा and the quality is so freaking good. I just said I wear it once a week. It has been washed multiple times, but the quality and the कपड़ा and the fade of this, look at that. The color of this black is so like bright black. It photographs so well. The print is so freaking good. And this one, for some reason, just drapes so well on my body. I just feel like, yeah, that's the reason I like it. It just falls on my body so well. I just have to tuck it in a little and it just does the right thing on my body. I absolutely love it. It's in the size medium and this is one of my favorite go-to oversized t-shirts, I would say. Moving on to another one of my absolute favorite oversized t-shirt, but this is in a jersey format. It's a Wakanda Forever jersey oversized t-shirt. I am in love with jersey oversized t-shirts. Again, ये वैसा वाला मटेरियल नहीं है, ये धोगे तो भी इसको इस्त्री की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली है. जर्सी मटेरियल है and because of the material it just flows and sits so well on my body. I love that ये drop shoulder है and जो hand का length भी है, it literally goes below like till here and it just looks good. This is the print in the front and this is the print in the back. And yeah, absolutely love it. Absolutely grab this one. अगर इसमें से कुछ भी लोगे ना, I would say grab this one. I love it. Moving on to the last oversized t-shirt I got from TheSoulStore. It's again a jersey material one. This is the Spider-Man wala. Love the color combination. It's a Spider-Man oversized t-shirt. ये भी उसी की तरह फिट होता है. Everything is very similar. Drop shoulder है और ये भी लेंथ यहाँ तक हिट कर रहा है. This is in the size small by the way. पता नहीं पहले एक वुमेन पे भी डाल के दिखाया हुआ था बट अभी वो वाला इमेज नहीं है. बट ये दिखाया है कि मेन पे जा रहा है बट ये भी मैंने वही वाला उठाया हुआ है. It looks good on females as well and that's the reason I picked it up in a size small. अगर female में होता I would have picked a size medium but this was men's का, so I picked it up in size small and it looks perfect. Okay, you can just get it. And the last oversized t-shirt I picked up, now this is from this brand called Bewakoof. This is the only thing that's not from SoulStore, and this is a recent purchase. Again, it's a black t-shirt and it has this logo in the front and पीछे इसका main काम तो पीछे ही है. It has Taylor Swift का Hi, it's me, I'm the problem, it's me anti-hero वाला print दिया हुआ है and this is how the print looks like. I think the print is really good. I don't know how it will survive after wash because ये recent है, ये अभी तक मैंने पहना नहीं है. Quality of the material is really good. ऐसा एकदम लो क्वालिटी लग तो नहीं रहा है. ये वाले ब्लैक से वो वाले ब्लैक का क्वालिटी मुझे थोड़ा और अच्छा लगा. वो वाला थोड़ा और अच्छा क्वालिटी और प्रीमियम लग रहा है इससे. ये थोड़ा पतला है, इतना भी नहीं बट इट्स गुड एंड या इट्स लुकिंग रियली गुड. ड्रेप्स रियली वेल. आई रियली लाइक दिस वन एज वेल. And that's it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी. Also Amazon is hosting their mega fashion day sale which is going to be live till 10th of March. So shop now to get up to 70% off on top brands. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.